Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will do question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 2.3 NCERT chapter 2nd decimals and fractions. We have already completed exercise 2.1 and 2.2 of this chapter, and we have also done chapter 1st integers. I have uploaded each and every part of every question. So if you find any trouble regarding any question, go to my channel and watch that video. So let's start this video. In this, a Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden, and the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Here it is a question of NCERT, and this figure is not given in NCERT. I have made this figure for you in order to make this question easy. He plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. So here I have make the row in a garden. It is a garden, that is he wants to make 4 sapling. He wants to plant 4 sapling, that is 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And the distance between the two adjacent saplings, this means next to door. This means next to door. Suppose it is a first sapling and it is a second sapling. So the distance between the first and the second sapling is 3 upon 4. And the distance between the second and third sapling is 3 upon 4. And the third and fourth sapling is 3 upon 4. What we have to find out? We have to find out the distance between the first and the last sapling. Means we have to find out first and fourth. We have to find out this distance, the total distance. We have to find out the total distance between the first and the fourth. So it's very easy to find out the distance. Suppose if we add these distance with each other, that is if we add the distance between the 2 and 1, 3 and 2 and 4 and 3. Suppose if we add these 3 distances, that is 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, we will get the distance between 4 and 1 sapling, first and last sapling it means. So how we will do this? That is distance between the first and the last sapling is 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. And we have the same denominator, and I have told you in my previous videos also, if you have the same denominator, so there is no need to take the LCM. You can just add the numerator values with each other, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So our answer is 9 upon 4. So our answer is 9 upon 4. And we can convert this number into the mixed fraction. So if you divide 9 by 4, that is 4 to the 8 and 1 is remaining left. So our answer is 2 1 upon 4 meter. Here meter is missing because they have given the distance in a meter, that is 3 upon 4 meter. So in the answer we also have to write this 2 1 upon 4 meter. It means the distance between the first sapling, that is first, and the fourth sapling is 2 1 upon 4 meter. So the sixth part is, and in this Lipika read a book for 3 upon 4 hours every day. It means every day she read 3 upon 4 hours book, and she reads the entire book in a 6 days. We have to find out how many hours in all were required by her to read the book. I will solve you in a very easy manner. In a one day, she reads a book in 3 upon 4 hour. It means first we will convert this number, that is 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7 hour. It means in a one day she read 7 upon 4 hour. And what she did, she read the entire book on a 6th day. So in a 6th day, how we will find out? She will take, we have to multiply this 7 upon 4 by 6. This 7 upon 4 by 6 in order to find out how many hours she took to read the book. We will represent this 6 as 6 upon 1, and if you see, that is 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So in the numerator we will get the answer 21, that is 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Answer is 21 upon 2. And we can convert this number into the mixed fraction, that is we have to divide 21 by 2. So 2 10 ja 20 and 1 is remaining left. So our answer would be 10 1 upon 2 hour. It means she took 10 1 upon 2 hour in order to read the whole book in 6 days. Therefore, she takes 10 hours to read the book. So our seventh question is, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. It means when a car runs 16 kilometer, it consumes 1 liter of petrol. And we have to find out if it takes 23 upon 4 liter of petrol and how much distance it will cover. So in 1 liters, car covers 16 kilometer, and in 3 upon 4 liter, car will cover 16 multiplied by 3 upon 4, and I have converted this 3 upon 4 here as it is, that is 3 upon 4. How we will convert? That is 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So our answer is 11 upon 4. So in 1 liter it covers 16 kilometer, and in 11 upon 4 liter it will cover 16 multiplied by 11 upon 4 kilometer. So we will represent this 16 as 16 upon 1, and if you see in the denominator, we have two numbers, that is 1 and 4, and 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. So in the denominator we have values 1 and 1, and in the numerator we have 4 and 11. So 11 multiplied by 4 is 44, and 44 kilometer is our answer. It means in 3 upon 4 liter of petrol, it will cover 44 kilometer. So this video is completed, and if you find any trouble regarding any question, you can contact me by typing on the comment section. I will definitely solve your query. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.